Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago for Botticelli Foods, and today I'm going to be using some of my favorite Botticelli products to make the most classic Italian dish there is, spaghetti, garlic, and oil. Every cook should know how to make a classic spaghetti, garlic, and oil, and I can't wait to show you, so if you want to see how it's done, just keep watching. And look at our beautiful spaghetti aglio olio that we have here. There's nothing like spaghetti, garlic, and oil when you get home from work really late and you just want to throw something together that has a lot of flavor and that does not take a lot of time. That is so good. You really taste everything because you have the garlic, the oil, the parsley. You have very few ingredients, and they really should be the best ingredients. That's why I love using the Botticelli Foods products for this, so they all get to shine really, really bright in a dish like this that is so classic and so iconic Italian comfort food. I'm so glad you guys learned how to make this with me today. I'm Rossella Rago for Botticelli Foods, and I will see you guys next time. Ciao.